Hi, this is an ExactTrades.com trade review for the Movers and Shakers report for September 1st, 2011. Movers and Shakers is a free pre-market report where we email you a minimum of 10 trade ideas out to you every morning before the market opens. You can sign up for this free report at our website, www.exacttrades.com. I'm going to go over a couple of the trades from this morning's report, as well as give you overall trade results for today and the combined results since we started this report. Right now you're looking at a screenshot from this morning's video. On every trade idea we give you the direction of the trade, whether long or short. We give you a symbol, the trigger point, which is the area or price which you enter the trade, and we give you targets as well. So this was a long trade on symbol CIEN. The trigger was to go long on a new high above the open with strong volume, provided it was still over $13.50. 1% from your entry was your first target, 2% for the second target, and then manage the rest with the trailing stop. For the purpose of these results, we figure a 1% stop. Once the first target is hit, it switches to a 1% trailing stop. So let's take a look and see how this trade turned out. Here's a 3-minute chart on symbol CIEN. The trigger point was to go long on a new high above the open, which happened right here at 1422. 1% from your entry is your first target, which is 1436. So take half off at that 1436 area. Take another quarter off at 2%, which is 1450. And then use the 1% trailing stop for the last piece. And that triggered right here at 1444. So this trade had an average exit of $14.42 or 20 cents average profit per share, which is 1.4%. Let's take a look at another trade. Here's another screenshot from this morning's video where we called a short trade on symbol SAI. Trigger was to short a new low below the open with strong volume. Make sure it's also under 1345. First target is 1% from your entry. Second target is 2%, and then manage the rest with the trailing stop. So let's take a look at an intraday chart on this one. Here's a 3-minute chart on symbol SAI. You can see the low was established here at the open. So we created a new low right here at 1338. First target is 1% from your entry, which is 1324. Second target is 1311, which is 2% from your entry. And then just the trailing stop on the last piece triggered right here at 1310. So this trade had an average exit of $13.17, which was 21 cents per share average profit, or 1.6%. Let's take a look at the overall results for today. September 1st, 2011, we had 14 total trade ideas. 9 of them did not trigger. Those are stocks that either gap up or gap down close to or beyond the first target, taking a lot of the profit potential out of the trade. We just recommend passing on those, or the price that we were looking for, the trigger price, was not hit. We had 5 trades that triggered. All 5 were winners for a win rate of 100%. And if you were to trade these ideas based on a $20,000 position size, our average profit on our winners was 0.8%. So on a $20,000 position, it would be $160 profit in each trade. So that would be $800 profit for the day. Let's look at the combined results. We started this report on July 15th, 2011. Since then, we've had 256 trades that have triggered. 204 have been winners, 52 losers, for a win rate of 79.68%. So sign up for this free report at our website, www.exacttrades.com. We'll email it out to you every morning before the market opens and give you a minimum of 10 trade ideas every day. We also offer professional one-on-one coaching where we teach you these profitable strategies that we've developed and trade ourselves every day. And while you're at our website, check out our full library of products and services.